Hello, India. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of household soaps. Household soaps are used for general cleaning tasks such as washing hands, dishes, and surface to maintain hygiene. India exports household soaps to more than 75 countries, and these are the top destinations. This product falls under Chapter 34, and the specific accession code is 340111941. And more than 10,900 shipments took place as reported on 2nd May 2025. And during the financial year 23-24, the soaps export under HSN code 340111941 had a total worth of 28.51 crores of Indian rupees. And between April 24 and June 25, the total worth of export reached to 2.94 crores of Indian rupees. Key manufacturers and suppliers you will find in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. I hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video and book a complimentary meeting to learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.